Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to guide you step by step how to install the Windows and SQL Server on the Oracle VirtualBox. Find the VirtualBox. So VirtualBox and here I have already installed the Windows 2010 with SQL Server, but I will demo you the new one. So click the new, give your system name. So I give you Windows 10 and the folder where it's going to store is here. Then select the Microsoft and Windows 10. Click continue. Here you assign the RAM. So I will assign the 6 gig. So 6 gigs RAM. Next one is just select the default one, create a virtual hard drives. So and it's a default 50 gig and we'll use the again default options. Here in the dynamic and fix what kind of storage you want. So I'll go for fix because I have very limited space, and dynamic is basically if you have assigned a 50 gig and 50 gig is full, it will expand without it will expand the space. So that's why I prefer to have a fixed size. And now you click the continue, keep as it is same, and select the size of virtual hard drive in megabytes. So it's a 50 gig. We have already selected that, so we'll keep a 50 gig and now let it create. Just wait for it to get done. That's good. So this is done. Now what we'll do next is to download the Windows in a browser and look for Windows 10 download. So here you go, Microsoft. Go to the Windows 10 and select your edition. So I selected 10. Confirm. It'll ask you language. Choose the language, which language you want. I'll prefer English. Confirm. And then once you click 64-bit, it will start downloading the file. So already I have downloaded, and that is ISO file. This is what we want. So I'll show you how it will look like. So once you download, this is the file you will get. Now we'll go to the VirtualBox, and since this is off, we have to start now. Once you click the start, it'll take a little bit time, and now you just click the start and Windows 10 started running, and here you go. So this is how it will start installing the Windows 10. Now you select your language and everything and just click the next, go default, install now. Since we are just installing here, if we don't have a key, that's fine, you can go, I don't have a product key, and move to the next step. So you will get a free version. Which edition you want? I'm going for home, but you can select the pro as well as per you, because it's a free for 60 days I think, or 180 days. Yeah, so you just select, go for next, accept the term, move next. So here you go, upgrade, install, or custom. So since you are installing the first time, just select this one and it will find the which drive you are going. It's a 0 and click the next, and your installation process start. So Windows installation is started now, and I will not go through each and every step of the installation. So yeah, this is how
first all the patch software will install, then system will restart. Then after restart, this is all set up, and this is how it will look like once the Windows is installed. So our Windows 10 has been installed now. What is left is to SQL Server. So now what we'll do is, since it's a virtual PC on your desk, you already have internet, open the browser and look for SQL Server in your browser. So what I'm going to do is here to search for a download SQL Server. This you just look for, so I'll just go here and yeah, try to find the SQL Server. Once you got this, go here, download the free trial, give your details. So here click the download, and once you click the download, this will start downloading that software. So just for a moment, and here you go, you click the yes, and here you go. So your evaluation edition start. It's just custom, basic or done, so we'll go basic. So click on the basic, and yeah, so this will ask you accept the term and condition. You just say yes, accept, and choose the location where you want to install. So it's a virtual PC, we'll select the as it is default one, and just you click the install. This process will basically keep running for the installation. And once this whole package is got installed, then we run as basically then you will start using the SQL. So I'll show you the next screen.
Once Windows installed and SQL Server installed, so yeah, so this is how will your virtual PC will look like. And just go and give your key. Forward my pin. So this is how it look like. You have to enter your pin here. In case you forgot your pin, you just click on forgot a pin, and it will ask you to provide the login account which you have initially used to create everything. So here you go. I'll click my forget pin and I will unlock the system. So yes, when you unlock the system, this is how it looks like a desktop, and you have installed the SQL Server. So you can go here on SQL Server. So this is your VirtualBox running on the Mac, and on VirtualBox you have a Windows, and once you install the Windows, then you will go on VirtualBox on the browser, search for SQL Server and install the SQL Server. And once you install the SQL Server, now you can work on database. So yeah, this is how. This is my local PC desktop. I just use the default name. So, and once you connect, you can see the system database, and yeah, all the objects are here. So now my incoming tutorials, you will learn all about the SQL Server database from start, how to write the select query to be a database programmer. So thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you.